Good morning and welcome back to the farm. Today we're going to walk up to the potato patch, at least one of them, the big one, and look where we're at. We've had several major weather events, which is not all that unusual, I'm afraid, and we have had some gully washers. So my guess is we got a few things to clean up. Now, if you remember correctly, this particular area was tarped, and we put the row builder on it and straightened it up a little bit, which probably disturbed some of the seeds, but I don't know. So I'm looking for probably weeds, unfortunately, and maybe some swirls where we had torrential rains come through. I have seen that the potatoes are up. I can't tell you how much though. Let's take a look. Yep, they're up. Matter of fact, they're about ready to be hilled, and oh my heavens, look at all those weeds. And it's still a little wet, so we are expecting more torrential weather this evening. So I'm going to take the hoe and wheel hose and everything else, try to clean up these weeds. Plants themselves look pretty good, really, but they definitely need hilled. If anything, I'm running a little late. Yeah, you can see where the water's rushed through here. I'll have to replant a little bit of this, but overall, the plants look good. It's just a weedy mess. Today's first tool of choice is a stirrup hoe, and this allows me to take the grass out, hopefully in a pretty expedient manner. And then I will take the wheel hoe and run down the side, and as you can see right here, that one just came up. Interesting. You got to be careful when you do this that you don't take out any of your potatoes, and you certainly don't want to go too deep. But we'll see. Got a lot of work ahead of me today. You know, of course I could spray for these weeds, but it's not what we do here. We will occasionally spray Roundup on fence rows or something if they get out of control. But for the most part, nope, no spray. Let me show you how to use this hoe properly when weeding on raised rows. As you can see, we got a few weeds here. Now, when you're going to use a stirrup hoe, you go this way and you go up and down. On the raised rows, it also, in potatoes case, helps hill a little bit. Now, that's not how we're going to exclusively do that. I see so many people online hoeing this way. On a raised row, go up and down, and it's very efficient and very fast. Just goes quick. I can do a whole row in probably less than 5 minutes each. And I'm separating the roots from the foliage, and these plants will be dead, these weeds will be dead within an hour or two in this hot sun. Learning to use your hose properly save you a lot of time and effort, not to mention sweat. I go get the wheel hoe. In this case, I'm using the heaviest wheel hoe that we have. We have several, but I'm going to use the Haas wheel hoe with the stirrups on it, just like I use with the hand. And now I will go up and down, i.e. up and down the aisles with the wheel hoe to finish off anything I may have missed. If you did it right with your hand hoe, the wheel hoe will be a walk in the park. If you didn't, allergy season here, you know. Well, let's just say it will be less than a walk in the park. It will be difficult, but you'll get it and it'll get the job. So am I happy with the results so far? Oh yeah. It doesn't get better than this. Now that we've caught up with the weeding, I'm going to let this sit out here in the wind, in the sun. It's going to go 75, 80, 85 degrees today. And as soon as all this dries up, I will bring the tractor up here with the row builder and hill these potatoes. If you have questions or comments, please let me know. Please subscribe. Give us a comment and hit the notification bell. Until next time, I'll see you down at the barn.